I'm going to make a quick, pretty crappy video for you. This is how I'm remembering our polyatomic ions. You can kind of divide them up by charge. Like if you look at my little thing here, I've kind of highlighted the ones in purple that have a 2- charge, and in that kind of pinky orange is the weird charges. So the weird charges here, we have the only positive one, which is NH4 ammonium, and the only 3- one that we need to know, which is PO4 phosphate. So the other thing I was having problems with is we have these things that they look really similar. We have SO3 and SO4. I mean, they look so similar, and the names are similar as well. We have sulfite and sulfate, and I'm like, how do I remember these? The way I'm remembering them, I mean, they're both a 2- charge, so that's easy to remember. But sulfite and sulfate, sulfate is bigger. We have the 4 charge here, so it's bigger because it ate something. So that's basically how I'm remembering these, 8 and 8. We have, and these ones here, like the hydrogens, we have SO4. HSO4 is hydrogen sulfate. So SO4 is also sulfate. So hydrogen sulfate. Like if you kind of break it down like that, it's, I guess it's not so hard. Like PO4, HPO4 is hydrogen phosphate, and PO4 is phosphate. So pretty much all we've done, I mean, besides change the charge here, is added hydrogen. So hydrogen phosphate and hydrogen sulfate. If I'm looking at this here, we have, these are the ones that I'm really having trouble with here. Hypochlorite, chlorite, chlorate, and perchlorate. The ite and the 8, they actually work on this one too, like chlorite and chlorate, ClO2 and ClO3. 3 is bigger, so it ate something. And yeah, the charges on those ones are all the same as well. So that's pretty much how I'm remembering these ones. We have the 2 strange ones. We have our SO3, SO4. Oh, same, yeah, nitrite and nitrate. So if we want to remember that, NO2 and NO3. That's pretty much how I'm remembering these, and yeah, okay, bye.